Myanmar military has released about 2,300 people imprisoned for demonstrating against the February 1st coup. Many journalists were also among those released by the military on Wednesday. More than 5,200 people have been reportedly detained for protesting against the military coup that ousted civilian leader Aung San Suu Kyi. At least 880 people have been killed since the coup in Myanmar. The Delta COVID-19 variant, first identified in India, has been detected in 96 countries, 11 more than last week, the World Health Organization said in its weekly epidemiological update. Africa has reported many new outbreaks of the variant, as Tunisia, Mozambique, Uganda, Nigeria and Malawi are among the 11 new countries targeted by the variant, the WHO added. AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria said that there is not much data on the Delta Plus COVID-19 variant to suggest it's more infectious, causing more deaths, or has developed a significant immune escape mechanism. If COVID-19 appropriate behavior is followed, we'll be safe against any of the emerging variants, he added. Meanwhile, India reported 48,786 new COVID-19 cases today. A National Investigation Agency court today discharged Sibsagar MLA and Assam activist Akhil Gogoi in the second of two cases filed against him in connection with the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act violence. He is clear of all charges and likely to walk out of jail soon, his lawyer said. Gogoi has been under arrest since December 2019. As China's Communist Party celebrated its 100th anniversary, President Xi Jinping warned that any foreign forces attempting to bully the nation will have their heads bashed bloody against the Great Wall of Steel forged by over 1.4 billion Chinese people. He added that Chinese people are not only good at destroying the old world, they've also created a new world, he said. At least 486 sudden deaths have been reported over 5 days in Canada's British Columbia as temperature touched record 49.6 degrees Celsius in the Lytton village. It is believed likely that the significant increase in deaths reported is attributable to the extreme weather British Columbia has experienced, officials said. We know that this heat wave won't be the last, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said. Six-time Ballon d'Or winner Lionel Messi is officially a free agent now after his 4-year contract worth Rs 4,900 crore with Barcelona expired at midnight. The 34-year-old hasn't signed a renewal yet to extend his 20-year stay at Barcelona. As per reports, Barcelona president Joan Laporta is negotiating contract renewal directly with Messi's father and representative George Messi.